Hello everyone, I am Aswini Kumar Marana. I am from Team Carriers Point, and our theme is plant-based pain detection system, which works on detecting the electrochemical signals from the plant and detecting if the plant is in stressed or is not in stressed. So the overall overview of the detector system is that it is designed to detect early plant stress by monitoring plant bioelectrical signals. So our setup actually what it does, it detects the bioelectrical signals of the plant through two electrodes. One electrode is inside the ground and the second electrode is wrapped around the plant, which actually captures the bioelectrical signals of the plant through that electrode, and it then sends the signal to our Arduino for processing it. So we can actually use AIML in the process, like detecting the stress by, we can feed the model data, which then we can train it to detect this amount of results, or these parameters when set to this number of values will detect a particular amount of condition. Like if some values are in between this and this threshold, then it will detect that it is needing water, means the water supply is short. Or if it is between some and some threshold, then it is like the light is not coming, or the sunlight is not enough for it to actually do all its natural processes. So our whole idea revolves around that. With now detecting systems that are currently present is that they predict the damage, means once the damage is occurred, they predict what the damage is done. Like when already, like we can see here, there is a picture of a plant, and in computer vision models it will take the picture and detect that this plant is having some diseases, but the only problem is it is not predicting the diseases, it is giving the diseases after it has already been occurred. So we actually wanted to make a preventive disease system which can predict what the plant needs and when the plant is actually in stress, so that we can prevent these kind of diseases instead of letting it happen and then knowing about the diseases. So this is actually the solution that we have suggested. The actual solution is that this is a plant, like you can see here, which there are two electrodes actually present there. The two electrodes are then taken to the Arduino, which is connected to our laptop, which gives this kind of output. Means it detects some voltage variation actually, which means some electrochemical or biochemical signals which the plant emits. So now let's see our prototype. So here, as you can see, there is a plant, and in this plant there is actually two electrodes. One electrode is connected to the stem here, and another electrode is connected to the ground here, and the two electrodes are being connected to the Arduino, and the Arduino is actually using calculating the voltage difference that is being created by the two electrodes. And here, as you can see, it is giving either if the plant is stressed or not. As now I just touched the plant and I pinched it, so it is showing stress signal. It is not actually calibrated. It needs much time to be calibrated, and we can do that very easily now.